People, today I'm excited to bring you a sneak peek of the 5th floor of the Harmonia residence. The views from up here is simply breathtaking. And mind you, I am just on the 5th floor. The cityscape stretches before us, offering an incredible perspective of what future residents will enjoy every day. Construction is progressing smoothly, and from where I stand, I get to see parts of the George Walker Bush Highway and Airport Woods. My name is Surveyor Mushofa Yahaya. Let's go and speak to our site engineer to find out what he's up to and our recent construction updates. Hello, Engineer Mahmoud.
Hi, Mushofa.
How are you?
I'm fine, and yourself?
I'm doing well.
Oh, nice to see you again.
Thank you. Could you please share some insights on the construction updates with us?
Sure. We are about to cast the 7th floor slab very soon. And at the same time, we are moving on for the block works on the 4th and the 5th floor. Also, we are moving on for the first fix of the MEP connection for the plumbing and the electrical connection. At the same time, today we just started doing the plastering. You can go and see we will just start the plastering from inside. We are preparing the sample for the painting also to see how better we can do it, how much better we can do it. And we are working on the entrance at the same time.
So what should we expect the next time?
For the next time, you can come and see the 8th floor slab column and walls has been casted. And you can see the 9th floor columns and wall. Some is casted, or we are trying to cast it all at once to have more speed on site. And you can see new entrance for the site. You can climb from new entrance, which is the main entrance for the project. And as usual, you can see more of block works, more of the MEP first fix and plastering work.
Thank you so much for this.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you for joining us on this update. Stay tuned as we continue to bring this fantastic project to life. If you have any questions or you need more information, please reach out to us through our social media handles or our website. Until next time, thank you for watching.